Hello, thank you very much for joining again. I have gathered additional speculation regarding the forthcoming iPhone 15. There is a speculation that iPhone 15 Pro might feature a 3nm A17 Bionic chip from Apple, moving away from the use of 4nm chipset. Furthermore, Apple is potentially offer 2TB internal storage, which could result in a significant increase in price due to storage capacity. Mark Gurman revealed that the dynamic Iceland notch is set to be expanded to the regular iPhone 15 model in upcoming years. The iPhone 15 Pro is expected to showcase an innovative display technology known as low injection pressure overmolding. Essentially, it could potentially provide a nearly bezel-less display experience on the iPhone 15 Pro, anticipated as well in the inclusion of the large battery within the iPhone 15 lineup. iPhone 15 and 15 Pro model might come equipped with batteries 3877 mAh and 4912 mAh respectively. Likewise, iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max variant might potentially showcase the battery with capacity 3650 and 4842. The upcoming iPhone 15 and 15 Plus are anticipated to offer support an upgraded 48 megapixel rear camera, featuring a large sensor compared to the current sensor present in iPhone 14 and 14 Plus. Although the iPhone 15 Pro expected to maintain the 3x zoom from the previous years, rumors suggest that iPhone 15 Pro Max could bring significant enhancement in their zoom compatibility. Leak information hints a design probably same as iPhone 5C had, with the titanium construction for the Pro model potentially enhancing their durability. A titanium build may also feel more premium. iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Maxes could potentially incorporate an action button, the one introduced in the previous year's Apple Watch Ultra. The button is anticipated to function as a physical shortcut for accessing application, timer, and other functionalities. If these turn out to be accurate, I'm extremely excited about this development. It has the potential, the iPhone 15 to a premium status. Let me know what you're expecting from the Apple 15, and please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.